This video, I'm going to show you how to stop seeing adult content on Facebook. Before we get started with the video, please don't forget to give this video a like, share, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to keep updated with our latest videos. To get started, the first thing that you'll need to do is to open Facebook on your device and sign in to your account. Once you're signed into your account, you'll need to head over to the menu section of Facebook by clicking on the menu button, which you'll find at the top right corner of your screen beside the notification icon. And here, go ahead and click on Settings and Privacy, and under this you'll find Settings. So go ahead and click on the Settings button to get redirected to the Settings page of Facebook. In this area, go ahead and look for the Preferences section and click on the Content Preferences under Preferences section. And here, go ahead and click on the Manage Defaults button. Now under this, you'll find low quality content, unoriginal content, and problematic sharing and sensitive content. Set all of this to show less to be able to avoid or reduce the amount of posts that you see on your feed that are related to this. We just need to confirm each of this into showing less to make sure that you see this less on your Facebook newsfeed. Setting this to show less will allow you to reduce the amount of posts related to this that can be found on your Facebook newsfeed. After you set this to show less, you'll immediately see less of sensitive content on your Facebook newsfeed.